Sorry, I think internet was disconnected. Okay, for example, we have 100 cat picture, 100 dog picture, and 100 goat picture. Cats, dogs, and goat. Hundred pictures. So it's showing you the deep learning is a way for computer to learn patterns by stacking many simple units. So there are 100 units. 1 unit, 2 unit, 3, 4. So there are 100 pictures. And in the language of deep learning, we call them, these are unit. Unit number 1, unit number 2, unit number 3, unit number 4. If you use complicated terminology, you can call it as neurons. Neuron 1, neuron 2, neuron 3, neuron 4, neuron 5. Like Lego blocks, each layer learns a small part of the problem. And together they learn very complex things: face, speech, meaning of sentence from lot of examples. How it work? Here is a super example: input layer, output. You give data, a picture, a sentence, a sound. Data may be in the form of picture, in the form of sentence, in the form of sound, in the form of video. It passes through many layers. For example, here is the image of cat. In first layer, it will scan eyes of cat. Second layer, second scan, it will catch color of cat. Third layer, it will catch face of cat. In fourth layer, it will catch uh, sound of or voice of cat. And next layer, it will catch its nose, head, or ears, or other things. So it will scan many things. So these are known as layers. You give data, a picture, a sentence, a sound. It processes through many layers. Each layer slightly transform it. Guesses and compares. The network makes a guess, for example, cat. We compare it to the correct answer. Self-correction. It adjusts its tiny knob, waits to be a bit less wrong next times. Repeat thousand millions of times. Everyday example. For example, your phone photos auto-organize. Your gallery group. Often you have noticed on your Google images, uh, Google automatically recognize different face and combine similar images in a same folder. So photo auto organize your gallery groups, peoples, beach, food, deep network, often a CNN, learned visual patterns from millions of images. Voice assistant, when you say set a timer for 10 minutes. A speech model, often using RNNs and transformers, turns audio into text and meanings. Spam and scam filters. Email appear use deep models to spot suspicious patterns in wording, links, and sender behavior. Movie music recommendations. Streaming apps learn your taste by spotting patterns across what you and similar user watch listens. For example, you are watching videos related to data analysis on YouTube. So automatically YouTube will send you the videos which are related to data analysis. If you if your interest is watching movies, Google or YouTube will automatically show you such type of movies. So it is based on deep learning. So why deep? Deep just means many layers. More layers can learn more complex patterns, but need more data and computing. What is mean by layers? For example, you have 100 picture of cat. In one picture is a one unit is a one neuron. Computer will scan picture, will scan one first layer, which will be eyes, then again scan, which will be scan for teeth, face, ears, voice, and many things. So all these things will be known as layers. Quite different from regular machine learning. Classic machine learning needs you to hand craft features, for example, count of special characteristics in an email. Deep learning learns features automatically from raw data, pixels, audio, and text. Common type are names you will hear: CNN, RNN, and transformer. So I am sending this information. You can read it in more detail. No, main important thing is sample data. So for deep learning, we need images data set and we need very big data set. It will not work on small data set. So I will write a message here. I want to do practice for deep learning. For this, I need sample data for deep learning. From where I can get data for practice and send this message. ChatGPT have given me a script because many packages like PyTorch is specific for deep learning have sample data set for practice. And similarly, TensorFlow also have sample data for practice. So I want to copy and will run in Jupyter page. Because PyTorch is the package of It's showing me no module name torch vision. So first I need to install this package. We'll copy. So it's giving me a message. You just need to install the vision add-on for PayTorch CPU only. With Nvidia GPU. I don't have this GPU in my PC. With Nvidia GPU CUD. So it's showing me no module name torch. So I will install pip install torch and run. While it's working, I want to explore more option on ChatGPT because these tools are heavy and need heavy GPU in our PC. So I think we are unable to perform these tasks in our laptop or PC. So for this we need Google Colab because Google Colab will give us GPU. Basic GPU is free, but if you need more advanced or complicated GPU, you need to purchase GPU from Google Colab. Torch is still working. No, I want to write another message because the tools are only available for uh, PC with which have GPU. So I will write a message. Is there any website from where I can get data for deep learning? and ask question and send message. So here are some websites are given. Hugging Face Dataset Hub, Kaggle Dataset, Google Dataset Search. So many links are given here. You can download sample data from here. GitHub also have dataset. Here is the dataset. You can download dataset, but this data is related to papers or articles. We need images dataset, and I try Kaggle. So on this website, many type of dataset are available. I will write here need deep learning. Here is the game of deep learning sheep dataset, ANN dataset, chest X-rays images dataset. So many type of data is available on this website. If, for example, I want to use sheep dataset, this dataset is showing me an error. It's mean not available. But when I refresh it, give me a downloadable link here. Here is the detail. This dataset is taken from deep learning hackathon organized by Analytics Vidya. About dataset, Analytics Vidya is a Indian largest and one of the world's leading data science community and knowledge portal. It is a passionate community for analytics, data science professionals and aims to bring together influencer and learner to augment knowledge. This platform allows people to know more about analytics from its article, discussion forum, and learning paths, meetup, webinars, trainings, etc. So here is the data set. Click on download button, download dataset. in zip folder and 85 MB file. Download. It will start downloading process, but asking me sign in with Google. I am also sending the link with you. I have shared link within Zoom chat. Please all participants also download this dataset. Please all participants open this website, name Kaggle, and download this dataset, game of deep learning, ship dataset. I have almost done downloading process. Please all participants download this file and type done within Zoom chat. I have done. Now I am waiting from your side. Download this file and type done within Zoom chat. So here are the images dataset, and instructions are also given with train. These are the train. Images name in the form of Excel sheet, and sample submission and test file. So please all participant download and then let me know. Please start downloading and also understand about the file. So I get a archive file. When I open this file, it show me one is train and other is sample submission and test file. When I open train folder, it show me images and train. So first we need to understand about this data set. I will, if you are unable to understand, we can use ChatGPT. Just import your data, ML2, import zip file. It will take few minutes. Import your file into ChatGPT and write a message. Please explain this data set. Because it is very big file, so it may take time. Is there so there is another option. You can take its screenshot, copy the you can take screenshot of this data set and write a message. I have downloaded data from Kaggle and paste your screenshot, and please explain this data set and also open your train file and also take str and also paste with previous one and send message to ChatGPT. Now it is explaining my data set, showing me nice. This is the classic Kaggle image classification layout from your screenshot. Train folder usually contain an images and subfolder and a train CSV file. Images, all training images, for example 001 and A12F, PNG and so on. Train.csv, a table that map each image file name and to its label. Common columns, image ID and label and class. Test.csv, a list of test images, ID, file names you must predict for, so there is no label for them. For test is without label. Sample submission. So the workflow is read, train, and .csv file. This tell you which image belong to which class. Load images from using the file name in the CSV and split train and validations. Train a model, CNN or transformer, read, load test image and predict, and write a submission match the sample submission.csv format. So after it will give you the results in CSV file. Here is its steps, but first we need to import this data set into Jupyter page, but we have no any GPU in my PC, and hopefully you also don't have GPU. So we need to use Google Colab. Okay, today please all participants download this file, and in our tomorrow class we will import this in Google Colab and will work for CNNS models. Please all participants confirm. Have you downloaded? Have you downloaded? Okay, good. I am also going to share this file within Zoom chat, but I think it's a big file and maybe unable to share within WhatsApp group. So please, I have shared a link. Download this file and type done within Zoom chat. Next work we will perform on our next class. Okay, good. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.